Hello, this is Steven. I'm presenting my implementation of the EDX course Python and JavaScript, the second project, which is a chat room. Here you see two users chatting with each other in the same channel. If one user leaves the channel, you can hear me. You wouldn't get the messages anymore, but I can also create a new channel, which means I can go in this channel and start chatting. If this user also wants to join a new channel, he can join and he will see the history. You, I am amazing. If I go to, for example, BBC News, then I go back to my app. All the histories and the users are still there. The extra implementation I did is a profanity filter. So if I type nasty words, it will be filtered out. Even if I use capitals, it will work. I really like the assignment which was given. I've learned a lot about using different languages. My biggest challenges and learnings were ping-ponging variables and data between the different languages. I had some challenges with the multi-level dictionary to save the chat history per channel. And I had some challenges with appending child elements to their parents inside of the JavaScript. But all in all, I feel that I have learned a lot. So I want to thank you for the experience. Thank you so much.